Next, we're going to move into the consolidate function. And consolidate's really nice because you can take the data that you have in other sheets or workbooks and merge it together to have a bunch of data in one place. So what we do is we have these 3 buildings that have different expenses each month throughout the year. And I want to represent this in one table on this master sheet. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to the data table, data tab, and we're going to hit consolidate. And we have these different functions that we can use. We have the sum, count, average, etc. down the line. And there's several from you to choose from, but we're going to use sum. And we're going to go to our reference data, and then we're going to click on our first tab that we want to grab, and we're going to grab A through M5. So we pick the whole thing, and we're just going to hit enter, and it brings us back to this menu here. We're going to add that. Now we're going to click on building 2. And you can see that it's already got me selected here, so we'll just add that too. If it doesn't, you can click on this little arrow and you can browse to it. We're going to go to the next one, and it's got the same highlight, and we're going to add that. So we've got building 1, 2, 3, A1 through M5. In each of our tables, we have labels at the top and on the left. And if we create a link, this will display some of the extra data. So we're going to start by not doing that. And click OK. And let's go ahead and expand our field so we can see everything. So in our first example here, we've got the mortgages totaled, the electricity, gas, and internet. So our total expenses for mortgage were $42.50 per month. Internet was $225 per month. Now we can do whatever we want. So we can, of course, bold this up, make it look pretty. We can add some, we can sum out our data here, and do whatever we want to manipulate this data here for us. Now, let's take a look at the other consolidated example, where we're going to use the create links. So we're going to use the exact same data, same function, all that. We're going to throw that in here, and what you can see the difference is we've got these little plus signs next to our data. Same kind of thing here. We can, bold it all up. We can do our add function here. That didn't add me correctly. Of course it didn't. Okay. So let's go back to home and sum, and there we go. And then we'll expand it off. And then we'll sum all that. So it looks very similar. But if we expand out these plus signs, you can see that it shows us the individual data from each sheet. So it got 1,000, 2,400, and 8,500, or 850 from each of these different sheets. And so we can see what it is from each one of those reference points, and we can expand it out for whichever we want to do. So 2 different representations of it. One's got some extra data for you. Both very cool to allow you to see your data at a snapshot.